this video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPhone without a case. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using an iPhone without a case is completely possible. By not installing a case, you could potentially run into some issues, but overall the feeling is much better and some people actually prefer to use the device without a case. It can make the device not feel bulky, and overall, as long as you are careful, you won't damage your iPhone. So, if all you want to do is use it without a case, without spending any additional money, then you are free to do so. There is no need for additional setup or changing anything on the hardware side of things. However, something that you might want to consider is applying a case like the brands. So this isn't the only brand that makes these skins or cases for iPhone models. However, it is a very popular one. These are slim and they are made to be mostly aesthetics based. So if you would like a different look without making your phone feel bulky, they are a wonderful choice. You should also consider looking into tempered glass protectors. These will not make your phone feel bulky, so they are not like a standard case. And overall, they will protect your screen against scratches and possible drops, as long as it is not from a big height. Of course, if you are going to be using your phone without a case, you need to be careful about certain things. It could make it more slippery, so be aware of that. As long as you apply a possible thin adhesive skin to the back and the sides of your iPhone, this will provide a layer of scratch protection and it can improve the grip. A screen protector made out of tempered glass will protect the display from scratches and minor impacts, and you can even use stuff like soft sleeves or pouches to conserve it even more so it doesn't scratch up against keys or other abrasive objects in your pocket or bag. So be mindful of handling and you will be able to use any iPhone model without a case. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.